name is Matthew Warren. I'm the Idea Center coordinator here at the Middlesboro campus, as well as its digital printing technology professor. The Idea Center is a free-to-use kind of makerspace centered around 3D printing. 3D printing or additive manufacturing can be used to aid supply chain or some other shortage related to the emergency. I think a lot of students that come in usually with an initial interest of just, I want to be able to print stuff. So it's a lot of personal interest to begin with, which works out well with how DPT 100 works in that it does introduce beginner modeling through a simplified program, and then we kind of step into more of what's considered like engineering kind of grade stuff, but it's still very user-friendly at home. So many industries are already embracing 3D printing in some way or another, whether it is still just on a prototyping system or if they are adding it to kind of in production line. I work with a lot of local businesses for printing things like trophies, awards, kind of stuff for events that they might be doing. In DPT 100, they start out with Tinkercad, which is a browser-based software. In a certain way, it's almost like sculpting.
So I'm taking the class more of a hobby. So I'm doing it for personal gain, just to get some knowledge. You can do a lot of fancy things with it and build things that you didn't have. So we're still getting the basics down, how the actual drawing goes, if there's any quick buttons we could do just to make it more streamlined. Any kind of interest in it, go for it. There's no reason not to. This is where the industries are going.
I'm always here on the Middlesboro campus for Southeast. I'm in the Troy Welch building, room 216. I am Southeast. We are Southeast.